Hello friends, this video is all about how to use a free online tool to generate audio from your text. Browse n.text-to-speech.online. Select voice language first, then select gender and click on preview button.
Hello. How do you like my voice? If you like it, please choose me to generate your audio.
Hello there. Fancy my voice, do you? If you like it, do choose me to generate your audio.
Here, you have options to increase and decrease voice speed and pitch. How do you like my voice? If you like it, please choose me to generate your audio.
Hello there. Fancy.
Hi there. How do you like my voice?
Here Aura. How do you like my voice? If you like it, choose me.
Hi there. How do you like my voice? If you like it, choose me to generate your audio.
Type your text in the input text field, then click the preview audio button to hear it.
Hello, good morning all.
Hello, good morning all.
Hello, good morning all.
After that, click the Generate Audio button to generate audio. Your audio file is ready to download. You can download audio in 3 formats: MP3 or VTT or SRT.